Meanwhile, in Stately Wayne Manor...
Happy Saturday! Join me today for a progress report video on the 1966 Batmobile, today on Brickscale Studio. Welcome back to Brickscale Studio. My name is Jeff. Thank you so much for joining me. So no building today. We're going to be doing one of our progress reports, our sort of 4-episode recap to get you caught up if you've missed any of the previous videos in the last month or so. You may notice things look a little weird because I'm not at my normal place when I do this portion of the video. I usually sit at my desk, but I'm still at the build table because I'm stockpiling. I'm doing a bunch of episodes back to back. Because I started the beginning of November to stockpile a bunch of episodes so I could sort of relax over the holidays. So this will probably be the last one that you see that is like this. The rest will go back to the normal format. The lighting won't be so weird, and I'll have my glasses, which I normally have on, but the way the lights are, they kind of reflects on them. So let's get into the recap footage, and then we can talk about it after. To recap what we have done on the scale model side, we installed the passenger seat, and then we also installed this rear bulkhead, the ejector pins, and this little light. And then over on the Lego side, we installed these two sections, and then just added the hinges for the trunk lid, and some other bulking pieces over here. So that will do it. Okay, to recap what we've done on the scale model side, we added this rear bulkhead, and then we added this top panel here. And then over on the Lego side, we switched from the back to the front and added these two sections here. So that will do it. All right, to recap what we have done on the scale model side, we've been working on this little dashboard here. We installed this piece and then all these little panel pieces. And then over on the Lego side, we added some tiles here to finish this off. We added some stickers to bulk up the dashboard area. So that will do it for episode 39. So to recap what we've done on the scale model side, we installed some stickers. We installed some buttons here. That was exciting. And we got the compass in. And then over on the Lego side, we spent a lot of time doing these little side pieces here with some hinges, and it looks like we got the door handles. So we are prepping. I'm sure these are for the fins, so we get that angle correct. But that is it for episode 40. All right, so some pretty good progress over the last 4 weeks. Nothing earth-shattering. We did sort of start off with a very sort of bare-bones cockpit area with just the driver's seat and that center console, and we've sort of built that up, adding the other seat, that back portion, the upper dash, the dashboard, all that kind of stuff. So we'll just keep continuing to build on that in the next few episodes. Let's get into our summary really quick. So total to date for the scale model, 361 steps and 433 parts. And on the Lego side, 596 steps and 1,490 parts. All right, so again, like I said, we're just moving right along. So stay tuned on the channel. We've got more Titanic videos coming up on Thursdays. I believe we are taking a break on Tuesdays until we start our new build in 2026. But we are in the midst of our daily Christmas sort of advent calendar build. We are doing one bag of parts from December 1st to the 24th. So be sure to stay tuned for that later today and through the rest of the days till the 24th, and catch up if you haven't seen them. They're super short, like 3 to 5 minutes total episode. And it may not seem very Christmas related, but maybe you can kind of wrap your brain around it a little bit, especially if you watch the intro video on from December 1st. I kind of explained my thought process, but at the end of the day, this set also had 24 parts. I already had it on hand. I didn't have to buy a new, different set, so there you have it. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. If you've been here a while, thank you so much. I value your continued viewership. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it. It's totally free, and we're trying to get to some subscriber milestones to give away some free Lego. But until we see each other again, happy building, take care, be kind to each other, and I'll see you soon.